Hey guys, have a look at this clock here. This is basically my time and date, and of course, it's showing my calendar. And this is like a multi-world clock, right? You can basically set different countries, and you have these really cool clocks, right? This at the top here, which is showing the, let's say, the weather. This is the normal widget from the Samsung phone, so I just remove it from here and basically put it here, right? So you can always press and hold, and let me go ahead and do that real quick. Press and hold, and you can actually move around those widgets. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this clock, because I think it is super cool and super useful. And it's called the flip clock, right? So you can install this on your phone. Here you can see the app, and I'm going to show you. So you can go and get this within the Play Store, as you can see, and you can use a search here, and you can basically type in flip clock, right? Flip clock. See, you can search for it and you can install it. I already have it installed, as you can see, but you can install it, and it is super cool. Let me show you some of those images, and you can basically, set it up, customize it, and make it really nice on your phone. Really nice, right? So if you're looking for, let's say, a more nicer style of clock widget that you want to add on your phone, I'm not sure if it's on the iPhone itself, but I need to verify that, or you can check it, but it's on the Play Store. So you can try whether in your Play Store or App Store, you can check and you can use it. Whatever, I'm using it and I want to share it with you, right? So you install the clock, and once you install that, you open it and you can really customize it. So you open up, it look just like this, and you can access, those buttons at the top, at the bottom there, or you can just swipe up and you go right into those menus. So you have the floating clock, which you can basically set up. You have the clock widgets right here, which you can just simple click and add. Once you click and add widget, it's going to add to your decks, to your home screens that you can find on your phone, and you can just basically add them. And yeah, you can basically change the colors as well. So here you can see the colors underneath, as you can see, or above the upper right, and you can just basically switch those colors. So for example, I am using this one here, which is the widget tree, and I can just basically click on those colors to switch. So this would be like a light mode or dark mode, and this would be the colors, and I can just scroll through and just choose different colors if I want to use those colors. So this is super cool. Yeah, you can add those different widgets, whichever one you like. And want to show you another thing which is cool. It has some color clock themes as well. So you can, these are basically for this specific app, as you can see right here. I can switch this, but this is not so much, I would say, important. If you want to switch them, you can purchase them. As you can see right here, they have different options, but these are locked. And once you click on it, you can see how much that you have to pay to actually get those, which I think it's not necessary. Your funds as well that you can switch. But for the most part, it's really cool. You have the language, you have the temperature. There's a whole lot of good stuff, guys. I really like it. I've discovered this today, and I would say that it's cool. And let me show you from the homepage. So let's say you add your widgets and you want to modify them. You just basically not press and hold, but just tap on it, and you can change whatever you want. So you can add more clocks here. You can remove, let's say you want to remove something, you press and hold, and you press the X on the left hand side to basically, let's say, remove anyone that you don't want. So any one of these widgets you want to basically change, you open it, and you can basically modify it. So that's it, guys. This is the flip clock, and hope you found this useful. Go ahead and check it out if you're looking for something like this, and it can really, give you a bit more than just the basic time and date and clocks that you have on your phone. So that's pretty much it for this one. Hope you found this useful. Give this video a like, and thank you guys for watching.